So very good afternoon to all the aspirants. I hope all of you are doing fine, right? Eating well, sleeping well, right? Staying motivated and also preparing really hard for your upcoming exams, right? So we are in the first class of maths, that is profit and loss, first class, right? Before we have done simplification, right? So you can go and see that class where I have taught you a few of the tricks how to solve questions quickly, right? And also how to use the help of an option to get the answers, right? So let's dive into the class, but before that, let's see this beautiful code which is given out here. A lot can happen this year, right? So you never know what can happen in a year, right? So in this year you might get a government job, your dream government job, right? So just keep trying, okay? Just give your 100% and I'm sure you'll get the result in no time, right? So let's start the class now. So before coming to that, this is Adda 24/7 app. So kindly download this from the Play Store, right? And the perks of downloading this app are that you'll get premium study materials, current affairs, and all the perks which is given out here, right? Just that what you have to do is you have to go to the region and then you have to choose Northeast region, okay? And after you choose there, so whatever we are teaching out here, you'll get the materials, whatever is taught here in that particular app, right? So download it now, it'll be really helpful for you, okay? Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button and also share with your friends, right? Okay, so this is the batch which is going on every day morning, right? 9 a.m. I'm teaching reasoning, okay? So we are solving the practice set questions, okay, of CHSL. So it's totally exam oriented question and all the questions are of new pattern, okay? I have not kept old patterns which are not coming nowadays. I have kept all the questions which are of new pattern. So you must attend that session as well, okay? It's every morning at 9 a.m., right? Okay, so profit and loss, okay? So let's see what is a profit and what is a loss, right? So let's discuss a bit of concept about this, okay? So generally this concept of profit and loss can be imagined as if you are a businessman or a woman, okay? Suppose you have started a business, right? You said that, sir, I want to do my own business, okay? And you want to do like a business of maybe stationery, right? Stationery things, okay? Stationaries, right? Now what happens is, suppose you have gone somewhere, right? And then you have bought some stationery things such as a book, maybe. Let me take a book as an example, okay? This book you have got it for suppose 250 rupees, right? This is the cost that you have given while buying this book. So this particular amount that you see, this is none other than your cost price, okay? So what is a cost price? Cost price is a price which we invest in something, okay? So I have given 250, okay? Now you have come back and now you said that I'll start selling this book, okay? Now you want to sell this, suppose you want to make a profit in this, suppose you're selling it in suppose 295 rupees, right? So this is the selling price, okay? Whatever you have bought from the market, okay, and whatever you are selling is known as the selling price, okay? The selling price can be more than the cost price, it can be lower than the cost price, depends on what you want to do, okay? If you want to profit, then you have to sell a product at a higher price as compared to cost price. And if you want to incur a loss, which you will never do, obviously, right? So that time you can sell it at a lower cost, okay? So generally whatever we bought is a cost price and whatever we are selling is the selling price. Clear? Now there are two things which comes in our mind, okay? Suppose there is seller 1 who is selling this particular book at 295 rupees and there is a seller 2, okay, who is selling the same book at 235 rupees, okay? So both of the sellers, right, will have a different kind of margin, okay? What is a margin? Margin decides your profit or loss, okay? Suppose if I take seller number 1, okay? If I take seller number 1, he is buying the book at 250 and selling at 295. So what is the overall profit that he is gaining? So the profit that he will gain is, you will subtract these two amounts and whatever is left out with you, that will be the profit, okay? So profit will be 45 rupees, okay? This much extra he is earning, okay? So this is profit. And why profit? Because if you see, the selling price is more than the cost price, okay? If you go to elementary school level, okay, there what we were taught was that always to find profit or loss, okay, we used to do selling price minus the cost price, okay? and based on the symbol which you get, it decides if you have gained a profit or you have gained a loss, right? So let me explain. Suppose I'll put this particular thing out here. Profit or loss is equal to 295 minus 250. How much am I getting? I am getting 45. Okay. So see, this is a positive value, right? This is a positive value. That means you have gained a profit, right? Similarly, if I do the opposite, okay, if I do this particular thing, profit or loss equal to 250 minus 235. How much am I getting? Right? Sorry, I have done the opposite. You have to write the selling price first. Sorry. Okay. Yes. So out here I can see that 250 is greater than 235. So sign you'll get is negative sign, right? And as you get a negative sign, you will subtract them. When you subtract them, you're getting 15. So this minus sign indicates that you have incurred a loss. Okay, this was in school level. Okay, but now as we are going competitive level, so this thing you have to figure out by just seeing the cost price and the selling price. Okay, now how to see? Now if you see here, I can see that cost price is 250, selling price is 295. So selling price is greater than cost price. That means here there will be absolutely a profit. Okay, yada ki hobo, yada profit hobo. Okay, we will get a profit out here. Now similarly, if you compare these two, right? Selling price is 235 and cost price is 250. So I can see that selling price is greater than this, cost price is greater than the selling price. Then that time you will incur a loss. Okay, you will incur a loss. Okay, very easy basics I'm telling. Okay, this is I'm clearing for all other students. Okay, many students are there who joins from art background as well, so it is helpful for them, right? Okay. Chalo, ठीक है, this part is clear. Okay, selling price, cost price is clear. Okay, ठीक है, this is clear, right? Okay. Now there's in exam, generally in competitive exam, most of the common thing that you see is they will ask you to find profit percentage. Okay, P% I'm writing and loss percent. Okay, so how do you do that? So if you'll go to school level again, okay, in school level what we do is we used to use a formula. Okay, so for profit percent, what we do is we write at the numerator selling price minus cost price. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, let me change the color for you so that it's clearer. Okay, so if you want to find profit percentage, what you have to do is you have to do selling price minus cost price, and then you have to divide this particular thing by cost price. Okay, and then the whole thing you have to multiply by 100, and that is how you get a percentage, right? Similarly for loss, it will be the opposite, right? What will be opposite? As we know, in loss, cost price is more, so cost price will come in front and selling price will go behind, right? And then you subtract, then divide by cost price into 100, and you'll get the loss percentage. Clear? Now if you notice one thing, we are keeping cost price at the denominator, right? Why is that? Why are we putting cost price in the denominator? We could have kept selling price also. So here you have to understand one thing, that generally cost price is always fixed. Okay, it never changes. Okay, suppose I have bought a thing for 100 rupees, so this will remain 100 rupees only. Okay, it's not that it keeps on changing. Okay, if you go and buy now and you're getting it in 100 rupees, so that will remain 100 rupees only. Okay, but selling price can differ, right? Suppose there are 3 sellers who are selling the same product, right? 3 sellers are there, right? So it depends on them how much they want to charge, right? Someone can charge 115, someone can charge 125, someone can charge 105 as well, right? Depends on the seller as well. Okay, so selling price might change, but cost price always remains fixed. So that's why you're putting cost price at the denominator to decide if the percentage is loss or profit. I hope this small concept is also clear to you, right? Okay, if it's clear, then we'll move forward. Okay, I'm telling each and every point. Okay, very basic. From 0 level, we are learning everything. Okay, so this is how we find profit and loss percentage. Okay, now how can question be constructed? Okay, so generally there are many types of question. Okay, out of which one question will be that suppose they have given you the cost price, okay, and then they have given you the selling price, and now they are asking you what is the profit, right? What is the loss? It can be loss also, and also they can ask you what is the profit percentage or loss percentage. So these are the few things which the examiner might ask you. Okay, so these are unknown value, and this all value we can find if we know cost price and selling price. Clear? Okay, similarly it can be the opposite. Okay, they might give you cost price, they have not given you the selling price now. Okay, and now they might have given you the profit, right? Or they might have given you the loss, or they might have given you the profit percentage, or they might have given you the loss percentage. In that case also we can find the selling price. Clear? So these are few questions which they keep on twisting and turning and give you in the exam. Okay, so without further ado, we will dive into few easy question. I have kept very easy question for this particular session so that you get a brief. Okay, tomorrow we'll do a good level of questions. Okay, and I'll clear few more concepts tomorrow, right? So let us start. Okay, very basic question. The first question is very simple. Okay, so we have to find the selling price. Okay, हमें क्या निकालना है? We have to find the selling price when cost price is this much and profit is this much. Okay, so now see, suppose I want to find selling price. Okay, we will use our concept. Okay, we will not use the formula. Generally we know that formula of profit is selling price minus cost price, right? And this way you can find the selling price. What will be selling price? If you take cost price there, it will become what? Profit plus cost price, right? So this is of school level. Okay, we don't have to use this, we'll just use the logic. Okay, now see here what has happened. It has happened profit, right? So in that case, whenever it's profit, we will just add it directly to the cost price. Okay, cost price plus profit, finish, that's it. Okay, so selling price will be what? So cost price is 590 plus the profit is 183. Okay, so what you are getting? 773 rupees. Okay, this is the selling price which that particular seller has set to earn a profit of 183 rupees. Clear hai? Okay, so we will just see if it is profit, we will add. If it is loss, we will subtract. Clear? We will not use the formula. Okay, we will not use the formula, we will just use our logic and common sense. Okay, suppose in this question only, if the question was like, instead of giving profit, okay, I'll remove this. Instead of giving profit, if he says that he incurred a loss of 260 rupees, right? So what will be the selling price? So for selling price, see now what's happening? Loss is happening, so you directly subtract them. Okay, you don't have to think any thought, no second thought, directly you subtract. Okay, that's how you'll get the selling price of this article. So 330. Okay, so he bought it for 590 and he's selling it for 330 rupees. Okay, so if you want to do a business, right, so you have to work very strategically. Okay, see, this is, we are talking about only one product. Suppose you have 3-4 products in your shop, right? So if you're incurring a loss at one product, you can increase the price of the other product to incur the profit of the loss which has incurred in the first product, right? So that's how the businessmen do the business. Okay, okay, chalo, easy question. Okay, first question is done. Let's do the second question. Okay, now let's see here if it is profit or loss. Firstly, what we'll do, what we'll see is, we'll see the selling price and cost price. Out here I can see the selling price is greater than the cost price, so obviously there will be what? Profit. Okay, so what will be the profit? So just subtract these two numbers. Okay, generally students are confused that when it is profit and when it is loss, but if you use this technique, it will be very easy to solve. Okay, now if you subtract it, you will get 209 as your profit. Clear? Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, very easy question. Okay, slowly your level will increase. Okay, I'll twist the questions a bit. Okay, okay, find the selling price. We have to find the selling price. Cost price is given and profit is given. Okay, so let's find the selling price. Okay, so here also they have used profit. That means obviously we have gained extra. So 1193 plus 993. Okay, so 6, 8, 10, 11, 2186 is the selling price. Clear? Okay, easy questions. Next. Okay, so target 10,000 plus vacancy. This classes are going on. Okay, today there is set 3. Okay, set 3 in this particular batch. It is at 6 p.m. So I'm sure that you'll attend the class, right? Okay, let's go to the next question now. Okay, easy question, profit or loss percentage. Okay, now the question has changed. We have to find the percentage. Okay, we have to find the percentage. Okay, so to find the percentage, what we have to do is, first we have to see if there is a profit or a loss. Okay, out here if you see cost price is greater than the selling price, so obviously there is a loss. Okay, so we will find the loss percentage. Okay, so what we'll do is, you subtract these two numbers first. Okay, so 0 minus 9 is 1, 4, 6, 2, 4, 1. Okay, and divide by, always cost price will come at the denominator, right, into 100. Okay, so 0 0 gets cancelled, right? Now can we cancel this? No, we cannot cancel. So 241 by 7%, okay, is the loss. So generally in exam you'll find the option in mixed fraction. Okay, so in mixed fraction, if you'll convert it, you'll get 3 by 7%. Okay, so this is how you'll find it in the option. Okay, 34 3/7%. Clear? Let's go to the next question now. Okay, a man buys a cycle for rupees 1400. Okay, so we are slowly increasing the level. Okay, sell it at a loss of itna. What is the selling price of a cycle? Okay, the most common method what all students will use is they will first write what is the cost price. Cost price is that he buys how much in rupees 1400. Okay, and sells it at a loss of 15%. So first you take out the loss of from this particular amount. Okay, so what will be my loss? The loss will be 1400's 15%. Okay, we found that 0 gets cancelled, so 14 5s is 670, right? 14 1s are 14, 210. Okay, okay, ठीक है ना, चलो. Right, okay, 210 is the loss, so therefore what will be the selling price? Now you just subtract this with this. Okay, 1400 minus 210, so what am I getting? 0911. 1190 is your, sorry, this is the selling price. Clear? But now you know that we are giving competitive exams, so we will not use this method. Okay, this is a lengthy method which we are using. Okay, so option number C is the right answer as we have calculated. Now what is the method which you should use is, let me show you. Okay, so let's go. See, so generally this percentage which is given has a very important role. Okay, loss is 15%. Okay, so always what you do is you convert this particular loss into fraction value. Okay, so to convert into fraction you do this 15 divided by 100. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 520. That means 15% is 3/20, and this fraction value you must memorize. Okay, because in exam we do not have that much time that you will do this, that, and solve. Okay, so now we will write cost price and selling price. Okay, now always the denominator that you see will be your what? Cost price. Okay, so you will write it here, right? And selling price, now see what was it? It was loss, right? So selling price will be what? So 20, but as it is loss, so I will do minus 3. How much you're getting? 17. So 17 will be the selling price. Clear? Okay, now 1400 is given the value of what? It is given the value of cost price, right? So I can say that my 20 is approximately is equal to 1400, right? I'm not using equal symbol, I'm using wave equal symbol. Okay, so therefore if 20's value is this, then what will be one value? So one value will be 1400 divided by 20, right? Now you cancel 0 to 70's are 140, right? So one's value 70, so what will be the selling price? You don't have to do anything, just multiply this to this, you will get the answer. 17 into 70. Okay, so 091190 is the answer, option number C. I hope you're getting the idea, right? So in exam we have to solve it like this. Okay, this also might seems complicated, but once you have the practice you will get the idea. Okay, so in exam how will I solve? Let me show you, right? See, firstly we know that selling cost price is itna. Okay, now 15% is how much? 15% is 3/20. Okay, so this is the selling price, right? So I can say that cost price, selling price, cost price is 20, selling price is how much? 20 minus 3 will be 17, right? So 1400 is whose value? Is cost price, so you divide it by 20, and we have to find selling price, so multiply by 17 directly. 70, and this is how you get 1190. Finish. Okay, within 2 lines you'll get the answer. I hope it's clear. Okay, okay, let's go to next question now. Find the profit or loss percentage. Okay, out here we have to find the profit or loss percentage. Okay, we see cost price is 750 and selling price is 600. As cost price is greater than the selling price, obviously you'll incur loss. Okay, now let's find the percentage loss, right? So first what you'll do is 750 minus 600 is how much? 150, right? You have to divide it by what? 750 always, because cost price is fixed, into 100, right? So 0 cancels out, right? 15 ones are 15 5s are, right? And 5 20s are. That means you're incurring 20% of loss. Okay, but now in exam perspective view we will not solve it like this. So how will we solve? So see, so first selling price and cost price and selling price you have written. Okay, 750 and 600. Okay, So generally you cancel them to the lowest fraction possible. 0, 0 cancels out, right? I can say 15, 4s are 60, 15, 5s are 75. So your new fraction is what? 5:4. Now what you have to find? Loss or profit. So out here there will be loss, right? Now 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. 1 divided by cost price is how much? 5. 5 and just multiplied by 100. So you're getting the answer directly, that is 20%. Okay, so I hope these tricks you are familiar with, right? Okay. Okay. Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. From that time I was not getting the comments. Now I can see the comments, right? Okay. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all, right? The comments were not visible to me. Now I can see. Let me just refresh one more time. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can see it now. Okay. So answer is 20%. Okay. I hope you've got the idea of this, right? Chalo, let's go to the next question now. Okay. So APSC foundation batch is going on. So if you have a dream of becoming an ACS officer, right? ACS officer, then this is where you can fulfill your dream. Okay. So kindly enroll to this batch. And if you'll use along with my code, that is Y788, you will get some more discount in this particular cost. Okay. Yes. Good afternoon. Okay. Okay. Shall we go to next question? Chalo, let's solve this question. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Nidhi bought 19 pen at rupees 11 per piece, okay, and sells at rupees 13 per piece. Find her percentage of loss or profit in the entire transaction. So this is an important statement which they have given. Okay, so see, one pen she bought, the cost price is 11 rupees, right? Similarly, she's selling this pen. Okay, this same pen she's selling at how much? 13 rupees. Okay, so what is the profit out here? See, out here selling price is more than the cost price, right? So that means I'm obviously gaining a profit of how much? 13 minus 11 is 2, right? So what will be the profit percentage? So profit percentage will be 2 divided by what was the cost price? 11 into 100. Okay, so this is nothing but 200 by 11. So if you solve this, you will get 18, right? 118 is 198, 2 by 11 percentage. Okay, but this is just the profit of one pen and one, right? You have to find the entire transaction. So how many pens did she sell? 19 pen. So what you have to do is you just multiply this particular thing with 19. Okay, because entire transaction we are talking about, that means after selling all the pens, how much profit she has gained. Okay, okay, so that way you will multiply by 19. I hope it's clear. Okay, chalo, let's go to the next question now. Okay, so before this, let me give you one question. Okay, okay, let me give you one question. Okay, okay, chalo. Suppose I say that we will solve this a bit later. Okay, let me give you one question. Okay, this is an extra question. Okay, so suppose I say that cost price of an article is 35, okay, and then the selling price of the article is, let me take 65. Okay, so what is the profit percentage in this entire transaction? Okay, so I don't want you to use the normal method of solving this. I want you to solve it by ratio method. Okay, you take the ratio, cancel it to the lowest term, and then you find the profit. Okay, so shall we do? Chalo, let's do. Okay, so profit percentage we have to find. Okay, because here obviously selling price is more than the cost price. So first cost price is 35, selling price is 65. First cancel them. 5 7s are 5, 13s are 7, and 13 is the ratio that you're getting. Now subtract them. 13 minus 7 is 6, right? So 6 divided by cost price is 7 into 100. That means 600 by 7 is the answer, right? Now if you convert into mixed fraction, so 7 8 is 56, you'll get 45, 5 by 7 percentage. Okay, so those who have doubt in this mixed fraction conversion, so let me show that also to you. Okay, so I will clear each and every doubt. Okay, 7 divided by 600. Okay, so if you divide this, what you'll do, 8 is a 56. Okay, you subtract it, you will get 4. You bring the 0 down, 5 is a 35. Subtract, what are you getting? 5, right? So generally to write a fraction into mixed fraction form, what you have to do is, as you see 7 is in the denominator, 7 will be here. Okay, what will come here? So generally the quotient will come here. Okay, so quotient is 85. 85 you'll put it here, and the remainder you'll put at the top. 85, 5 by 7 is the answer. Okay, percent. So in exam you'll see that mixed fraction percentage are always given. Okay, so now let's do this question now. Okay, so now see this question. Right, let's see this question. Okay, so Suresh bought 5 kg of apple at rupees 657. So 5 apple he bought for rupees 657, right? And sells it at rupees 613. Okay, he is selling 5 apple. Okay, if it is not mentioned each, right, this kind of term, then you will take that he is selling the same amount of apple, right? Find his profit or loss percentage. Now they are not asking about the entire transaction, they are asking about the profit and loss of single. Okay, whenever they'll give like this, okay, and they are not using the word like entire transaction, total, right? So that time what you'll do is you will find the cost of one apple and selling price of one apple, and then you'll calculate the profit or loss percentage. Okay, okay, so let's do. Okay, so let's find this is the cost price of 5 apple, this is the selling price of 5 apple. So what will be the, let me write it here a bit. Here I'm writing it, 5 apple is rupees 613. Okay, so if 5 apple cost this much, what will be 1 apple cost? So 1 apple will be this divided by 5, right? Even here, what will be 1 apple cost? This is divided by 5. Okay, so if you want you can divide, or if you want to leave you can leave it. Okay, because at the end this 5 will get cancelled out. Okay, so see here. So if I find the profit or loss, okay, what's happening out here, profit or loss? So obviously I can see that 657 has lowered to 613, so there is a loss. Okay, Suresh is incurring a loss. So what will be the loss? So you subtract these two values. Okay, 657 by 5 minus 613 by 5. If you subtract it, what are you getting? So denominator will be 5. You subtract this, you're getting 4. 44 by 5. This is the loss, right? So therefore I'm removing this. We are clear with this, right? The selling price. Therefore the loss percentage will be what? So what was loss? 44 by 5. And what was the cost price? 657 by 5 into 100, right? So 5 gets cancelled out. Now you just have to divide this and you can get the answer. Okay, so this is coming out to be 4400 divided by 657. Now see how to divide this number. Okay, suppose there are option like this. Okay, option number A is 12.05, B is suppose I take 6.09. okay, and we have one more option, suppose none. Okay, so let's see how to do this. Okay, now see, this is 4400, right? So if I multiply, I should go near 44, right? 6 into how much will I do so that I go near 44? Okay, so 6, how much will do? 6 2s is 12, right? 6 3s is 18. Okay, so 46 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. 48 will be more than this, right? So if you cancel, no, approximately you will get around 7. Okay, so 7. So is there any option of 7? No. So answer will be none. Clear? So generally this is how you do the division, by just approximating the numbers. Okay, chalo, let's go to the next question now. Right? Okay, yes. Chalo, Ronnie bought a mirror at a rupees itna. So what is this? Bought means this is the cost price. Okay, which is Ronnie giving 800 and sells at 1100 rupees. Okay, so find the percentage of profit. They have also given the profit, that means there is a profit. Yes, cost price is less than selling price, so there will be a profit. So let us find the profit. Okay, now what you will do is you first lower down these numbers to the simplest fraction that you can see. See, I can remove two zeros. Okay, we are making the calculation easier. So 8 is to 11, I cannot lower them anymore, right? So what is the difference between them? 3, right? So therefore, what will be the profit percentage? So difference is 3 out of how much? 8 into 100, right? So 8 by 100, if you do, you get 12.5. So you must remember the value of this. So this is what? 5s are 15, 7, 37.5%, okay? So this is a trending question which comes. ठीक है sir, okay, ठीक है? So 37.5% is the profit that you can see in this entire transaction. Let's go to the next question now, right? Chalo, let's do this. Okay, easy question. Okay, just that the numbers are a bit lengthy. Okay, let's do. So to cancel this to the lowest term, let's divide by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, you'll get 23, 5, 9, 8. Again, 4 ones are 4, right? You'll get 33, 8, 32, 19, 4, 8, right? Again, we can divide it by 4, right? No? Okay, let's divide by 2. 2 7s are 15, 2 4s are 8, 9s are 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, right? I cannot simplify this further, can I? 6, 15, 30, no, right? So now we can subtract them. How much you're getting if you subtract 924 by this? So this will be 5, right? Out here 1, sorry, 11 will be 7, and this 8, 175. So 175 divided by 749 into 100. Okay. Now again, see the same thing, 17500 divided by 749, right? So first go close to this. Okay. Now I can see that 7 2s is 14 and 7 3s are 21. If you go to 3, it'll exceed more than the requirement. So we'll go with 2. Okay. So 2s are how much you'll get, right? 2 point something will be the answer. So option where you'll find 2 point something, you'll tick that option and you can move forward. Okay. So this is a short trick which you can use to solve the particular question. Clear? Okay. Hindi pora khora sir. Hindi pora. Hindit pohabo নোৱাৰো মই তোমাৰ যদি লাগে মই অসমীয়াত বুজাব পাৰিম বাৰু ঠিক আছে সো ইন দিস সেশন উই ইউজ ইংলিশ এন্ড আসামিজ ঠিক আছে বাৰু মই অসমীয়াত বুজাই দিম ওকে ঠিক আছে বাৰু সো ফ্ল্যাশ সেল ইজ গোইং অন ফর DME 2.0 okay with 60 plus mock tests and 5 ebooks it is just 1300 but if you'll use along with my code Y788 you will get some more discount in this particular cost okay so you can join this session well experienced teachers are teaching in this particular session right chalo ঠিক আছে next question কৰো okay ঠিক আছে বেলেগ question কৰো chalo ইয়াৰ answer কোৱা tell me the answer for this question okay এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ comments বিলাক দেখি পাই আছো বাৰু মই okay ঠিক আছে solve কৰো চলো the cost price of an article is rupees 74 ঠিক আছে so cost price আমাৰ দিয়া আছে 74 okay ঠিক আছে স্যার okay মই এনকে লিখিলো easy হ'ব cost price দিয়া আছে 74 right and the selling price is 86 each okay এটা article cost price দিয়া আছে 86 each find the profit made in selling 23 such article very easy question right কি কৰিবা তুমি ইয়াতে percentage ho rana hai just profit hodise to yatok subtract kori dia tumi ঠিক আছে to subtract what you will get 12 right so therefore total profit okay edu profit ki rahile edu profit ahile tumar one article or ঠিক আছে one article or profit iman okay so total profit ki man ase 23 articles so 23 into 12 koriba tumi 12 3s are 36 12 2s are 24 plus 3 is 276 rupees is the overall profit okay sir MTS एग्जाम चल रहा है असम में कट ऑफ कितना तक जाएगा प्लीज टेल मी देखो ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है MTS एग्जाम की कट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट सारे स्टेट में सिमिलर ही रहती है ठीक है जस्ट ले लो अगर मैं यूपी के साथ कंपेयर करूं तो यहाँ पे कट ऑफ का डिफरेंस होगा मैक्सिमम 5 मार्क्स टू 6 मार्क्स, उससे कम नहीं होता फॉर जनरल, ठीक है। जनरल का बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द जनरल, ठीक है। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द अदर रिजर्व्ड रिजर्व कैंडिडेट्स, ठीक है सर। सो इन जनरल इट्स वेरी स्टिल 5 to 6 मार्क, ओके, बेसिक डिफरेंस 9, ओके, ठीक है। सो ओके, लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ, ठीक है, ओके, ठीक है सर। द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ एन आर्टिकल इज इतना, ओके, सेलिंग प्राइस दिया हुआ है 86, ठीक है सर, 86 सेलिंग प्राइस, मल्टीप्लाई 86 बाय 23 टू गेट द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 23 आर्टिकल। अच्छा, ठीक है सर, बारो इटू भूल गया प्रिंट हो सके, ठीक है सर। या विल गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन, ओके। Shall we solve? Let's solve this question. Okay. Bhavan bought 20 box of gifts for rupees itna. Okay. So 20 box cost price is rupees 1642. Right. He sold each box. He sold one box for rupees 58. This is the selling price they have given. Right. Find the loss or profit made by him. अच्छा, लॉस्ट और प्रॉफिट मेड बाय हिम, हमें ये निकालना है, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट सी सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वन बॉक्स इज गिवन, राइट। सो यू हैव टू मेक ईच एंड एवरी टर्म इन टर्म्स ऑफ वन, और व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू मेक दिस 20, राइट, और यू कैन मेक दिस 1, ओके, ठीक है। सो लेट अस डू वन थिंग, विल मेक दिस 20 बिकॉज इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर अस टू कैलकुलेट, ठीक है। सो आउट हियर इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20, I'll get for 20 box, right? So 20 box will be, if you have multiplied here 20, here also you have to multiply by 20, 0, 16, 1, 1, 6, 0. Okay, so 20 box cost is this much, okay? So now you tell me if he has gained profit or loss. So see, out here this is absolutely loss, right? The selling price is very much less than the cost price. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Loss हो रहा है, ठीक है? So you'll get loss. How much? 1642 minus 1160. ठीक है, so you're getting 482 rupees loss he's incurring. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, चलिए, okay, I can see few more students joining. So Shantanu तुम्ही Victor sir class और की कोई असील मुख, अच्छा, okay, this is निजी मामला, so you can settle yourself, ठीक है। Okay, let's go to the next question now. ठीक है सर, let's solve this question now. Good afternoon, Shantanu. Good afternoon. Let's solve this. The cost price of the article is rupees itna. अच्छा, very huge value we can see, 24906, right? The man sold the article in a loss of rupees. अच्छा, now you have given loss, okay? Minded, this is not the selling price, this is the loss. Find the selling price. What will be the selling price? लॉस हुआ तो यू व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट डायरेक्टली, ओके, ये तो बोलने का भी जरूरत नहीं था। 24002 is your answer, okay? So I'm taking very easy question for this session. In next session I'll promise you that the question level will be of your exam level, okay? So this is just to clear your concept, okay? If you clear these small concepts deeply, right, the other concepts will also be clearer to you, okay? Okay, so this is the answer for this particular question. Let's do, okay, so mock test, this registration link has been opened now, okay? So if I can, I'll put the registration link in the description below, okay, of this particular question, and you can click on the link and then you can register, okay? This is just a free mock test which you can appear, and if you're coming under top 10, right, if you're coming under top 10, you'll get SSC ebook and previous year questions, okay? Okay, so registration coming soon. It has already come, okay, it has come up today, so I'll put the link in the description so that you can click the link and you can register, okay? The exam will be on 23rd May, so do not forget, kindly appear, okay? At least you will come to know that what's your level, right? All these days whatever you have done, and if you're appearing it, you can understand what is your level, okay? Because there you can see the rank of other students as well on all India, okay? Let's do the next question now. Okay, chalo, let's do. So the cost price of 23 apples is same as the selling price of 20 mangoes. Acha, we'll do one thing. We'll skip this question. Okay, we will do it in the next class. Okay, this type of question I'm not taking it today. Today is all basic question. Okay, chalo, let's do this. If selling price is rupees 84 and gain percentage is 20%, calculate the cost price. Chalo, tell me the answer for this. Out here selling price is given 84, right? We have to find the cost price. Okay, and there is a gain in percentage. That means there is a profit of 20%, right? So tell me the answer. Sir, time and distance question anibo soon. Oh, sure. Very soon I'll bring the questions for time and distance as well. Okay. First a profit loss topic to hack koilo ami, tarpisot ami time and distance jam. Thik ase? Hebor question sob hoi jabo, don't worry. Aru moi class mane BC digholia not ho. Okay. I'm using all different pattern question. Thik ase? Board jone class nokore because sob question pattern black thake. Moi hetu jani buji thoi asu so that you can get used to it and you can practice yourself based on those patterns and you can literally clear the exam if you follow them. ठीक है, आराम से clear हो जाएगा तुम्हारा exam. चलो, so let's solve this. Now see, profit percent is 20%, so let us make this into a simplest fraction. So 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. Okay, you must memorize this, you must remember this. Okay, so generally I told you that generally the denominator value is your cost price. Okay, so I can say that the cost price is 5. Then what will be the selling price? Out here there is a profit, right? So you will do 5 plus 1. How much? 6. Okay, now 6 values, how much? They have given 84. So what will be the one value? One value will be 14, right? So what will be the cost price? So 15 into 14 is 70. Option number A is the answer. Clear? Okay. Okay, so this is how we will solve the questions. Okay, so generally from percentage we will convert into fraction, and from fraction, if it is profit, then we will add numerator and denominator and we'll put it in the selling price, and if there is a loss we will subtract and put it in the selling price. Okay, and then we should be aware of what is the value which is given. Okay, so selling price is given, that's why I'm equating 6 as 84, and after cancelling that I'm getting one value is 14. So directly you take this 14 and you can multiply it to 5 and you will get the answer 70. I hope it's clear. Okay, bola agar jao ami next question. Chalo, let's do this question now. Okay, so Reena sold a carpet for rupees this much at a profit rupees itna. Find the price at which she bought it. Easy question, right? So here Reena has sold, that means selling price is 10,000, right? At a profit of rupees 2,000. So there is a profit now. Okay, 2,000. So what is the cost price? So now see here, as it is a profit, we know that in selling price we will add them, CP plus P, right? So if you want to find CP, what you will do? You will do SP minus P, right? We have to do the opposite. So you just subtract them. So 10,000 minus 2,000 is how much? 8,000. Finish. This is the answer. 8,000. Okay, we don't even have to solve anything. Clear? Okay, now in this question, if they would have asked you find the percentage of profit percentage. Okay, so in this case you have to do two steps. First you have to find the cost price. Okay, and then second you have to find the profit percentage. Okay, so profit percentage will be what? So what is the profit in entire transaction? 2,000. What is the cost price? 8,000 into 100. Okay, so 0 cancels out, 2 4s are 4, 25s are 100. So 25% profit in this entire transaction. Okay, clear? Yes, very good. 8,000 is the right answer. So if you want to find the profit percentage, you will find it like this. Now let me change the question. Okay, now suppose the same question is stated as such that selling price is 10,000. Now he has incurred a loss of 2,000. So tell me what will be the cost price. I'm writing it here. What will be the cost price? Okay, and what will be the profit or loss percentage, right? Okay, so if you want option, I can put option also. 80%. अच्छा, ठीक है, I'll put the options out here. Okay. Okay, I'll not put the option, you can answer it. ठीक है, 80% profit, 80p. अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, let's see. So let's find the cost price first. What is the cost price? First tell me that. What is the cost price that you'll get here? Now see, his selling price is 10,000. Now he's incurring loss. So tell me, cost price will be more than selling price or selling price will be more than cost price? So obviously, if he is selling an article and he's incurring loss, that means the cost price will be more than the selling price, right? Cost price will be more than the selling price. So what you'll do, you'll add them, okay? Because here there is a loss, that is 12,000. Okay, I'm explaining again. See, selling price is 10,000. Now he has incurred a loss of 2,000. So cost price should be more than selling price to incur loss or less than selling price? Obviously more. So what you'll do, you'll add them. Okay? So 12,000. Okay, selling price, cost price. Now you have to find the profit or loss percentage. Obviously cost price is more, so there will be loss percentage. Right? Now, what is the loss? 2,000. Right? Cost price 12,000. And you'll multiply by 100. You'll cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 100 by 6 is how much? 100 by 6 is 16, 2 by 3%. Okay, 20%. कैसे 20% आ रहा है जी? Okay. चलो. अच्छा, DME mock. Okay, I think the registration link for this mock has also come up. So I'll put it in the description. You can register it and you can appear for this coming exam. Okay? Okay. Let's go to this question now. Chalo, answer me this question. Okay. Shall we start? Chalo. Ravi has a Alto car worth rupees this much. He wants to sell it at a profit of rupees itna. What should be the car selling price? Very easy question. Okay. Tell me the answer. And also tell me what will be the profit percentage of his in this entire transaction. Okay. So the cost price of this Alto car is 2,50,000. Okay. The cost price of this car is 2,50,000. Right. Now he says that he wants to sell it at a profit of 50,000. That means he will do what? 2,50,000 is there, right? Plus he will do 50,000 more. That way he will gain the profit of 50,000, right? So you'll get how much? 3 lakhs. Okay. He wants to sell it at 3 lakh rupees, right? Now, see, now if we want to find, yes, 3 lakh is the right answer. If you want to find the profit percentage, right, we will not subtract this and we will solve. Okay. What you'll do is, you'll first decrease them to the simplest value, that is C. 4 zeros gone from here, 4 zeros gone from here, right? 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Okay, that means selling price is 6, cost price is 5, right? So that means what is the entire profit that he has gained? 6 minus 5 is 1, right? So profit percentage will be what? So he has gained 1 in how much? 5 cost price into 100. So you'll get the answer 20%. Finish. Easy. Okay, so now some of you would be doing this. 50,000 divided by 3 lakh, right, into 100, right? No, we will not do like this. We will use this particular method to solve this. Clear hai? Yes, correct. Okay. Let's do the next question now. Okay, let's do this. Correct, very good. 20%, absolutely correct. ठीक है, चलो. Sonu bought a laptop for rupees itna. That means this is the cost price of the laptop. 1, 2, 3, like 1,50,000 laptop. Okay, at a loss of rupees this much. Okay, loss. What is the selling price? Tell me this answer question. Tell me the answer for this particular question. Easy question, right? So in short, you can say that he has bought a laptop for 1,50,000 and he has incurred a loss of 10,000, right? So what will be the selling price? Easy question. Comment down the answer. Easy question, right? Subtract them. 1,40,000. Very good. Easy question, right? Now tell me what is the loss percentage that he has incurred in this particular transaction. Tell me the loss percentage. Loss percentage कितना आ रहा है? Very good, very good. What is the loss percentage? Tell me. Correct. So loss percentage will be always calculated in the basis of cost price and selling price, right? So let's cancel this to the simplest form. Okay, I don't need 4 zeros. Can I cancel this further? No, right? So 15 minus 4 is 1 and I will divide it by 15 into 100. So 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are, so 20 by 3% loss, right? So to convert this into fraction value, 6 2 by 3% is the right answer. Okay? Yes. Correct. Okay? So 20 by 3%, that is 6 2 by 3. Okay? In short, you can say that, sir, this is 6.666% also. Okay? Few option will be in decimal, few option will be in fraction. So this is how you'll answer in fraction. Clear? Pakka? Let's go to the next question now. 60%. No, you cannot say 60%. Because it will be 6.66%. Okay? It's not the exact value. Okay? Baru. Let's go to this question now. Yes, 6 2 by 3%. Absolutely correct, Monisha. Good. Chalo, let's do this question now. Mimi sold her television for rupees this much at a loss of rupees. Find the cost price. Very easy question. Chalo, tell me the answer. Selling price is given 30,000, right? And by selling this, she has incurred a loss of 5,000. So what will be the cost price, right? And also you have to tell me what is the loss percentage in the entire transaction. कितना loss का percentage हो गया उसका? Yes, 6 2 by 3%. It's okay, no problem, right? So tell me the cost price and also tell me the loss percentage that she has incurred while doing this. Okay? Yes, cost price 25,000. See, Monisha, देखो cost price 25,000 नहीं हो सकता ना. देखो लॉस हो रहा है ना. सो इफ योर सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन द कॉस्ट प्राइस, तब क्या होगा? तब तो प्रॉफिट होगा ना. देखो इफ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 25,000, ओके, तब क्या हो रहा है? यू आर सेलिंग इट इन मोर प्राइस, दैट मीन्स यू आर इनकरिंग प्रॉफिट नॉट लॉस. ठीक है, तो लॉस के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस हैव टू बी ग्रेटर देन द सेलिंग प्राइस, राइट? तब जाके ना लॉस होगा तुम्हारा. समझ रहे हो? ठीक है, ओके. सो 25,000 will not be correct. Okay, 35,000 is the correct. Okay, loss हो रहा है तुम्हारा. ठीक है, that means whatever you're buying it more than what you're selling it, right? You're buying it for 35,000 and you're selling it in 30,000. That time only you'll incur the loss, right? I hope it's clear to you now. Yes, absolutely, right? Now loss percentage, what you'll do, you'll convert into simplest fraction first, right? Cancel it. 5 6 are 5, sevens are, right? What is the difference? 1. Out of how much? Cost price is 7. 7 into 100. Okay? So 14, 2 by 7%. Okay? This is the fraction value of 1 by 7. Sorry, this is the, yes, percentage value of 1 by 7. Oh, sorry. No problem, dear. Okay? This is absolutely okay. That's why I have kept these questions, okay? Because you must clear the doubts, you must clear the concept of these questions. Tetya, when I'll go to the next class, I'll take very high level questions. That time you'll see, you'll answer it absolutely correctly. Okay? Right, very good. Okay, Jay Devri correct, Parsmita correct, Monisha also good. Okay, so flash sale going on. You can enroll to this course. It is all this batch, just imagine so many batch is under 1300. So you can enroll it and you can use my code along with it so that you will get some more discount. Okay, let's go to the next question now. Chalo. Tell me the answer for this. Yes, 14 2 by 7%. Okay, 14 2 by Puja De. So it is not 1.4%, it is 14 2 by 7%. Okay, so I hope you know this, how you're getting this. Okay, let me explain it. 7 1 is 7, right? If you subtract, you will get a 3 and you'll bring 0 down. So 4s are 28. So 2 is the remainder. So you will write this as quotient will be in front. Right? At top, you'll write the remainder and at the bottom, you'll write the divisor. This is the percentage value of 1 by 7%. Clear? Hai? Chalo. Okay, very good, very good. Let's do question, this particular question. Okay? The number is not given, so this is the question. Yes, 14 2 by 7 is absolutely correct answer, right? Okay, let's do this. So profit after selling a commodity for rupees itna is same as loss after selling it for itna. अच्छा, एक काम करो, ये question को skip कर दो because this questions I'll take it tomorrow. Okay, we will solve easy question only for today. Okay, today's session is, I kept it easy. If 2 mixers and 1 TV cost itna, while 2 TV, अच्छा, this also we will do it tomorrow. Okay, do this. Okay. So this session is purely simple, okay, simple and basic, okay. Tomorrow we will take such questions, okay. 390 I'm getting already an answer, very good. Okay, correct. ठीक है, सही है, good. ठीक है. Oh, I can see some experts joining in now, right? Good. Chalo, solve this question, right? So Sonu bought a laptop for rupees itna at a loss of itna. Find the selling price. चलो ये बताओ मुझे. Easy question है. Okay. Tell me the answer for this. So cost price is 1,50,000. Okay, we have done this question, I guess. Here he is incurring loss, right? So what will be the selling price? Subtract them, you will get 14,000. Clear? Easy question. So ASSAM MAHAPACK is also a course batches which is going on, right? So you can enroll in this batch as well. Okay. So this is for all ASSAM exams, okay? All ASSAM government exams. So target 10,000 vacancies. I'm putting the class for this at 6 p.m. every day. So you must attend that class, okay? The topic which is going out there is blood relation, okay? So blood relation second class has already been kept. It'll start at 6 p.m. So I hope you all will join that class, right? So, okay, dear, we'll end the session here for today, right? I hope you have enjoyed the session. This was a very simple and basic session, okay? Simple and basic. Some of you have joined very late, okay? So please keep in mind that you make sure to join at 1 p.m, okay? But if you have some work or you are busy with something, then you can see the recorded video later on, okay? It's just that you won't be able to ask me doubt. You can put it in the comment, I'll still reply it to you, okay? So I hope this session was fruitful for you, okay? I hope profit loss, very basic concept is clear to you now. So tomorrow I'll take very good level of questions, okay? So that time I will see how you all are answering the questions, okay? So I'll see you all tomorrow at the same time, 1 p.m, right? We'll bring this particular session, profit and loss, with some more high level questions, okay? So keep studying, okay? Keep staying motivated, eat well, stay healthy, and also prepare well for your upcoming exams, right? So thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. So peace. And